Now the HRM. H305 is organizational culture. H306 is compensation and reward management, one of the important functions now. The others are taken care of by a lot of other things, including AI. Then HR analytics and AI. Then learning and development, talent acquisition and management. We have then basics of banking management. In the BFSI, sectoral specialization, portfolio management, investment banking, applied financial risk management, and foreign exchange and treasury management. So it gives you decent amount of uh, specialization without getting tag of only that, only financial, only marketing, right? Because today something is important and tomorrow some other functional area might become important. Now, international business. We have I-305, International Corporate Finance, then I-306, International Business Negotiations, then Asian Economies and Markets, so that our emphasis goes out of India and is looking at the other things a little more comfortably. And also ASEAN and Asian region is going to be the most dynamic in the next 30, 40 years to come. And that's where the jobs are going to be, that's where the businesses are going to be, that's where the GDPs are growing, that's where the technological stream is going ahead now. So then geopolitical, economics and technological environment. Now this is a specialty of our institute. We have done a lot of research work, made a lot of learning materials to emphasize the geopolitical analysis. So we do SWOT analysis and we do a pestle framework for various sectors and various countries and country groups put together. Then we have the international business environment and strategy. It could become global also, global business environment and strategy, right? Because of the case studies which are used. We are developing most of the case studies also ourselves. Now,